Now, still in the Home tab here on the ribbon, we're looking at our Layers panel here. Now, what you have got is obviously the Layer Properties Manager. We've looked at that already. And you can see our layers there in the drawing. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to add some new layers. And what we can do then is start looking at placing objects on those new layers. So all I'm going to demonstrate here is the Layer Properties Manager and also the Layer Pulldown menu, which has some new features available to it in AutoCAD 2010. So I click on New Layer. And what we're going to do here is we're going to leave all of these actual layers as the continuous line type. So the first layer is going to be walls, because we're going to draw walls in this particular drawing. Now I type the word walls, but don't press enter. Hit the comma key. Then I can put the next layer in, which is going to be windows. Then I can hit the comma key again, and the next layer is going to be doors. Hit the comma key again, and the last layer that I'm going to put in there is going to be furniture. Now obviously I'm being fairly basic with my layer naming here. You would probably use a much more sophisticated naming convention for your layers. After I put the layer furniture in, I'm going to press enter. Now you'll notice there that all of those layers have adopted the continuous line type, and also they've gone for the white layer colour. Now you'll notice that's showing as a black box in the Layer Properties Manager. That's because AutoCAD has already picked up that we've got a white background in the drawing area. So we can't draw white on white, so it displays white as black. Now the reason it's taken on board the white colour and the continuous line type is because our current layer is layer 0, which is white and continuous. So any new layers will take on the properties of the current layer. Now I'm not going to worry about changing those colours right now. What I'm going to do is close the Layer Properties Manager. Now the new tool in AutoCAD 2010 that makes your life so much easier is going to be the Layer Pulldown here. There's our layers there. Now what I can do here in the Layer Pulldown is I can click on the colour swatch there for doors, and lo and behold it takes me to the AutoCAD colour index. So my doors I'm going to make a pink colour, that one there, colour 210, and click on OK. That colour now, when I click on the Layer Pulldown, is now pink for the doors. Can you see that there? I'm going to click on the furniture colour swatch now, and I'm going to give my furniture colour a sort of browny olivey colour, that one there, colour 44. I'm going to click on OK, click on my Layer Pulldown again, and you'll see that the furniture has changed colour as well. It saves you having to go into the Layer Properties Manager all the time. I'm going to select my walls now. My walls I'm going to make a blue colour, this dark blue here, and I click on OK. And notice again the walls have changed colour in the Layer Pulldown. And then my windows, I'm going to give them a green colour, that one there, which is colour 82. I click on OK, and you'll see there that they've all changed colour now. The only layer now on black is layer 0, the current layer. So if I made windows now, my current layer, it would now draw on that green colour and put it on the layer windows, because windows is the current layer. So as you can see there, the Layer Pulldown in AutoCAD 2010 is a little bit more sophisticated now. You can change the colours without having to keep going back into the Layer Properties Manager.